life can suck. And sometimes you just have to learn to move on. Easier said than done, unless you have the powers of your spirit to help turn those lemons to lemonade. We have a sound in the black gate shaman system of the golden beetle of Egypt called NDEDELANG, 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 NDEDELANG. This is the sound that turns lemons to lemonade, that turns blocks into stepping stones, turns what looked bad into something very productive for you. Just chant the sound over and over and over for about 20 minutes straight, focusing on the problem in your mind. NDEDELANG. N like Nancy, D like David, E, L like Lance, A-N-G. NDEDELANG. 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 You said you can't be conquered with that sound. Nothing can stop you. What seemed like a drawback or pulling you down becomes strength and wisdom and future success. So, to all the young gay children out there who are going through problems in school, being gay, being different, chant this sound and your difference will become your strength. What people or the fools tease you about, the hetero-insecure ones tease you about, you will actually convert into success and power to conquer and rise up. Nothing can block us with NDEDELANG. Long live Hapi, the god of the gays of Black Egypt. Long live my beloved gay community. Long live the golden beetle system of healing of the shamans of Kemet, Egypt. Dwao and Totem.